Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I bought the OSRAM Nightbreaker Silver H7 light bulbs to switch the regular ones from my Alfa Romeo 159. On the box it says that the light from these bulbs can be up to 100% more than regular ones, and the light will cover a larger distance, up to 130 meters. The extra light comes with one minus, and that is a shorter lifespan. From the reviews that I read, most say that they will last about 1 year. The cost for the set was about 15 euros, and we will see if they make any difference. The lights you now see on the car are factory H7 bulbs. I will change the bulb on the driver's side, the left side, for you to see the difference between this and the factory ones. As you can see, the light on the driver's side is more powerful and brighter than the factory bulb, but not 100% more as advertised. But there is definitely an improvement from the standard bulbs. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.